Master Program Gutters is specialized in seamless gutters, and we also have a huge variety of rain chains, which is an artistic accent of the properties. We also do manufacture of sheet metal works. We receive the call from the customer, we automatically schedule an appointment to do a walkthrough and take the measurements to provide a gutter profile with the whole explanation, with samples and everything. Customers choose us because we always offer a high quality service at a very good price.